This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to automatically deliver lead magnets using Brevo. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and ensure your potential customers receive valuable content seamlessly, you're in the right place. Lead magnets, as you know, are an essential part of any marketing strategy. They offer value to your audience while growing your email list. And with Brevo, automating their delivery can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to brevo.com. If you're not familiar with Brevo, it's a powerful platform that enables you to manage email marketing campaigns, automations, and more. So open your preferred web browser and go to brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. Remember, having a secure password is crucial, so make sure to choose one that is both strong and memorable. Once logged in, the next step is to click on Automations from the main dashboard. This section is essentially the control center for setting up all your automated workflows. Automation in email marketing is like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. It works around the clock to keep your campaigns running smoothly. After clicking on Automations, look for the option that says Create an Automation. This is where the magic begins. By creating a new automation, you are setting up a system that will automatically respond to certain triggers or actions taken by your subscribers. It's a fantastic way to ensure timely and relevant communication with your audience. Now, when you click Create an Automation, you'll be presented with several templates and options. For the purpose of delivering lead magnets, you'll want to select Welcome Message. The welcome message is typically the first communication your new subscriber receives, and it's the perfect opportunity to deliver your lead magnet. This message is crucial because it sets the tone for your relationship with the subscriber. It's your chance to make a great first impression. Once you've selected the welcome message template, you can start customizing it to fit your brand's voice and the specific lead magnet you're delivering. Make sure the email is clear, concise, and includes a direct link to download or access the lead magnet. Testing the email before setting it live is always a good idea to ensure all links work properly and the message looks good across different devices. To make your automation even more effective, consider adding a personalized touch to your welcome message. Using the subscriber's name or referencing the specific content they signed up for can make the email feel more personal and engaging. There you have it. By following these steps, you've set up an automated system in Brevo to deliver your lead magnets efficiently. Remember, automating your lead magnet delivery not only saves you time, but also enhances the experience for your new subscribers, making them feel valued right from the start. With this setup, you can focus more on creating amazing content and less on the logistics of getting it to your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy automating!